Hello, my friend. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you ever stop yourself from speaking English because you are afraid you may sound rude, too direct, or not polite enough? You understand English, you know many words, but when it's time to speak, your heart feels heavy. Today's lesson is for you, because real English is not only about grammar. Real English is about tone. It is about kindness. It is about speaking in a way that makes people feel comfortable with you. In today's class, you will learn how to speak English softly, politely, and confidently. You will learn how to give compliments, how to say thank you in a natural way, and how to make polite requests in real life. This lesson will change how people feel when they hear you speak English. Relax. Take a deep breath. You are safe here. Let's begin. Why kind English matters. Let me tell you something important. Two people can say the same sentence in English, but one sounds rude and the other sounds kind. The difference is tone. Tone means how you say something, not only what you say. When your English is kind and polite, people listen more, people help you more, people respect you more. You feel more confident. And the best part? Kind English is easy. You do not need big words. You just need the right feeling. Compliment phrases, making people feel good. A compliment is a kind sentence about someone. It shows respect and positivity. Compliments are powerful. They open conversations. They build relationships. Let's start simple. Basic compliment patterns. Listen carefully to the structure. I like your. I really like your. You have a nice. That's a great. Examples. I like your voice. I really like your English. You have a nice smile. That's a great idea. Notice something? The sentences are short, the words are easy, but the feeling is strong. Now let's make them a little softer. Soft compliment English. Soft English uses gentle words like really, very, quite, so. Examples. I really like the way you speak. Your explanation is very clear. You're quite good at this. That was so helpful. When you speak like this, you sound calm and friendly. Natural compliments for daily life. Let's use compliments in real situations. At work, you did a great job today. I appreciate your effort. With friends, you always explain things so well. I enjoy talking to you. With teachers or seniors, I really learned a lot from you. Thank you for guiding me. Say these slowly. Feel the respect in your voice. Thanking phrases, more than just thank you. Many learners only say thank you. That is good, but English has many polite ways to show appreciation. Let's upgrade your English. Simple thanking phrases. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Already polite. Already better. Warm and kind thanking. Now listen carefully. I really appreciate it. I appreciate your help. Thanks for your time. That means a lot to me. These sentences show feeling, not just words. For example, thanks for your time shows respect. That means a lot to me shows emotion. Thanking in real situations. At work. Thank you for explaining this. I appreciate your support. In daily life. Thanks for waiting. Thank you for your patience. Online or messages. Thanks for your reply. I really appreciate your response. Practice these out loud. Slowly, clearly. Polite requests. Asking without fear. This is very important. Many learners sound rude without wanting to. Why? Because they ask directly. For example, give me this. Send me the file. Explain again. These sentences are not wrong, but they are hard. Let's soften them. Magic, polite words. The most powerful polite words are please, could you, would you, may I. Now, listen. Instead of send me the file, say, could you send me the file, please? Instead of explain again, say, could you explain it again, please? See the difference? Same meaning, different feeling. Very soft and respectful requests. When you want to sound extra polite, would you mind? Is it possible to? May I ask you to? These sentences show respect and confidence together. Tone practice. How to sound kind. Now, let's talk about tone. Tone is not grammar. Tone is your voice. To sound kind, speak slowly. Don't rush. Relax your shoulders. Smile slightly while speaking. Yes, even when people can't see you, they can hear your smile. Compare these two. Fast and hard. Send me the details. Slow and soft. Could you send me the details, please? Practice this difference every day. Practical motivation. Let me be honest with you. You do not need perfect English to be respected. You need kind English. Make mistakes. It's okay. Speak slowly. It's okay. Repeat sentences. It's okay. Every day, say one compliment, say one polite request, say one thankful sentence. That is enough. Confidence does not come from perfection. Confidence comes from experience, and experience comes from speaking. My friend, your English is not weak. It is growing. When you speak with kindness, people listen. When you speak with respect, people remember you. And when you speak with confidence, your life changes. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never be afraid of sounding polite. If this lesson helped you, like this episode. Share it with someone learning English. Subscribe to 24/7 Talk English, because here we don't just learn English, we live English. We speak English. We grow together. 24/7 Talk English.